Today, I'm going to be reviewing Birdwatcher's Diary. This is an app that lets you keep track of all the birds that you've seen. To say that you've seen a bird, you can click on the bird's name to log one bird. And if you keep seeing the birds very slowly over a long period of time, you can just keep clicking the name, and for each bird that you see of that species, it'll add another one. But if you see a lot of birds all at the same time and you don't want to click a million times, you can just click on the tiny little binoculars right over here, and that will take you to a menu where you can type in how many birds you saw. So if you saw 1,000, then you can type that in instead of clicking 1,000 times. You can also have notes about the bird that you saw, and you can type them in yourself. So you can have notes for each different kind of bird. And it also has the time and date that you saw it, and the exact location, all ready for you. Then once you're done, you can either delete the sighting or save it. And then, as you can see, it puts all the birds that you've seen at the top. And you can add more birds of any different kind that you want. And that will log all of those birds. If you click on the binoculars up here at the top, then instead of having the list of all the birds that are possible, it will only have the ones that you've seen. You can also look at the birds in different orders than the way that they were in, by hitting these little lines over here. And this will let you view the birds by the time that you saw them, the order they would be in a field guide, the four-letter acronym for that bird, their code, the scientific name alphabetically, the last name alphabetically, and by the first name alphabetically. Once you've entered all the birds that you've seen, you can click on this little folder icon, and it will let you archive your sightings. And for the entire trip, you can also have notes. So all you have to do is hit Archive Sighting, and that will archive that sighting for you. To look at previous sightings, you can also hit the Recall button, and this will show you all of your previous sightings. So you can just scroll through and look at the birds that you've seen that day or in that place. You can also load your list on eBird, and as you can see, it has the same setup as eBird, except you just use this one app. So you can put it on eBird, you can have it as your own personal list, or you can even email it. And as you can see, it has all the same protocols, and you can search for and you can have it calculate the number of minutes that you were out looking at birds and so forth. For this app, there are too many features for me to put in this video, but the people who created the app have a YouTube on it, and they created a video that has all of the features in this app. And I have a link to that YouTube in my website. Thanks!